Functions. Consider a car traveling along a straight line road. Its position, velocity, and acceleration are all represented by vectors, but since there's only one direction of motion and therefore only one component of each vector, we can treat them as just numbers that may be positive or negative. Let's further imagine that the car has an infinitely precise odometer, keeping track of exactly where its position is, and that we somehow record this information at every single moment of time. Mathematically speaking, what we are in possession of is a function. The position of the car, x, as a function of time, t. A function is simply a map from one quantity to another quantity. I take some example of the first quantity, hand it over to the function, and it returns a value of the second quantity. The quantities in question might be single numbers, collection of numbers, or something more complicated. The input is called the argument of the function, and the output is the value corresponding to the argument. Function, argument to value, or f defined by t to x. A function that maps t to x might be written as xft or just xt for short. The actual letters we use to denote the function and variables are completely up to us, as long as we remember that they are supposed to mean. If we specify positions in some region of land using coordinate x and y, we might denote the height of the terrain at each position by the function h xy. So sometimes a quantity like x might be the argument or input of a function. Other times it might play the role of the value, output. For our car, the argument is the time variable t and the relevant function is xt, the value of the car's position at each time. We can represent it by plotting x as a function of t. You may be familiar with certain special functions such as t squared or sin t. But the idea of a function applies whenever there is a unique map from values of t to values of x, regardless of whether there is a compact formula for expressing that map. By unique map, we mean that each value of the argument is associated with one and only one value of the function. That value may be repeated for different arguments. Our car may pass through some points, back up and pass through again. But at each t, we better have a specific value of x. That means that when we plot a function, the curve may go up and down, but it will never double back from left to right.